Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarTravel.com, your Oceania Suite experts, and today I have the great pleasure of being on board the beautiful Oceania Riviera. This incredible suite is one of the forward-facing Vista Suites here on board. Now I'm going to take you through the space and review the amenities in a moment, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this beautiful suite or any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at HarTravel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with the cruise lines, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the HarTravel signature service every step of the way. Now, Oceania has the finest cuisine at sea. You're going to find an incredible culinary scene here on board, whether it's one of the included specialty restaurants, the grand dining room, or even the room service menu. This particular suite's going to get you unbelievable butler service. They can do everything from arranging in-suite dining, making a bubble bath for you, packing and unpacking, taking care of all your reservations, and really elevating the experience from start to finish. Being that you're in one of the top suites in the ship, you're also going to find some incredible inclusions. We'll talk about those as we tour the suite, but keep in mind your HarTravel advisor is going to be your resource from start to finish to get the very most value for your cruise money. Now we've started off right here in the living room. You can see it's truly a residential style experience. Now when you walk in the door immediately to the right, you're going to find a bathroom. Now I really appreciate that they do have this second bathroom here. You're going to have a shower with rainfall shower head, beautiful marble countertops, and a first glimpse of those highly upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. Now, one of the things that's great about this is if you do have friends or family visiting on board, they can utilize that without heading into your bedroom space, but it's also wonderful to have that redundancy. Now, as we step into the living room, you've got your full butler's pantry over to the side. Now, Oceania always includes sodas, water, specialty coffees, and teas. You'll see that underneath you have a fully stocked mini fridge. You also have your Vero water there. They'll replenish that as often as you like throughout your cruise, both still and sparkling. And then you can use the water bottles that they've provided to fill them up around the ship, and of course take them off and enjoy on an incredible excursion. You've got all your cutlery, stemware, and glassware up above because you can have every single meal served course by course right here in your dining room. You can take advantage of those incredible specialty restaurants. They're absolutely delicious, or order from the grand dining room menu, or late at night, you can even order from that room service menu. You'll also have a full bar set up with complimentary full-size liquor bottles. Once again, your HarTravel advisor can help you choose that and set it up so it's ready upon your arrival. Now, as we step further into the living room, you've got a really nice large overstuffed sofa here. You also have two comfortable chairs and of course your bubbly on ice. You have a coffee table in the middle, and you can see this is a really nice place to visit with friends. Now you've got surround sound wrapped all the way around this suite. You'll find that you have a large flat panel TV in here. It's fully interactive so you can see what's going on throughout the ship. Watch your favorite television channels. Of course, take advantage of the movies on demand. Just underneath, you'll have the link to the Bluetooth, so you can have some calming music in here, whatever it is that you'd like. And then tucked in the corner, you're going to find your writing desk. There's two US plugs that you can use here for charging, and what's great about that is it looks out to your beautiful forward-facing views. You can capture those from your entire living room space, or of course from your bedroom. Now let's head into the bedroom space. I did want to point out you've got separate temperature controls in here. You'll have those in the bedroom as well. And one of my favorite features, I love that you have a door where you can shut things off completely. It's great to have that separation of space and privacy. Maybe somebody's sleeping in, relaxing, or taking a nap. Another one of the partners can of course be in the living room space enjoying. Now I'll first head into the large walk-in closet. You're going to find that you've got hanging storage all the way across on the back side, hanging storage all along the far side as well, those extra comfy Oceania bathrobes and slippers, a full-size golf umbrella you can utilize while you're cruising. You've got shelves down below, drawers all the way up and down and up above, and then you'll also find a safe, perfect size for a passport or a wallet. Now I love that you have an enormous amount of storage space in here. This ship does some incredible cruises around the world. You can put several together for their grand voyages, and having a true residential style space really goes a very long way. Now right in the middle, you're gonna have that full king size Tranquility Bed, some of the absolute best bedding, linens, pillows, and mattresses in the entire industry. You've got a full pillow menu to choose from, and there's plenty of space underneath the king size bed to tuck your large bags away. Now on either side of the bed, you're going to have a nightstand. You'll also find a European plug on either side, a USB, and a USB-C charger so you can plug your devices in and charge them overnight. Across from the bed, you're going to find yet another large flat panel TV, also fully interactive. You can watch television or your favorite movies. Tucked in the corner, you've got a small vanity here, another US plug and European plug, and then you'll see that the surround sound continues around into the bedroom space. From the bedroom, you can look out at those beautiful forward-facing ocean views, the same view as the captain. Now, an incredibly unique feature here is that you have a full exercise room. You've got two styles of exercise equipment here, another flat panel TV, surround sound continues in here, full floor to ceiling mirror to get ready, and then you're also gonna find those incredible views out the front of the ship. Now, as we step into the large bathroom, you can see the beautiful marble decor. You've got an extra large double vanity here. There's storage behind the mirrors. You have storage down below with the drawers. You're also going to find the highly upgraded Bulgari bath amenities, and you even have a Bulgari bath kit that you can take home with you. You'll see a large jacuzzi soaking tub. Now your butler can draw a bubble bath for you. You can imagine heading back from an incredible excursion. Today we happen to be in Rome, maybe having a nice glass of champagne and enjoying a soak before you head out and enjoy one of the delicious meals here or the entertainment. Continuing along, you've got a toilet and bidet tucked in the corner, and then here you'll find your large walk-in shower. You've got a rainfall shower head up above, adjustable shower wand, and a nook for those Bulgari bath amenities. Another unique feature is you also have a window looking out at those beautiful side-facing views. Of course, you do have a privacy curtain as well. Now, we just stepped out on your large forward-facing veranda. You've got a full dining room table here. You can have that course-by-course menu right here. It's also that perfect place for a nice cup of coffee or tea, maybe a glass of champagne or wine in the evening as you sail in and out of incredible ports with the same views as the captain. It's also a wonderful spot to gather for game night with friends. Now, as we continue along, you can see the door here that goes into the living room space. You're going to find two large, comfortable loungers here. I love that they have those terry cloth covers and, of course, the thick padding. Now, as we head further along, you're going to find two more extra comfy chairs. These do have that lounge capability, and then we're going to wrap all the way around to the side of the ship. Over here is where you're going to find your soaking tub. You can imagine all of these spaces are incredible for viewing, especially when you head in and out of some of the most scenic ports in the world. Now, I'm sure you can see why our guests love this particular suite so much, and when you're ready to make it your home away from home or book any room or suite with Oceania, Regent, or Norwegian Cruise Lines, make sure you reach out to the experts at Har Travel. We know the spaces inside and out and have an incredible relationship with the cruise line, and we know we can help craft your cruise vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Har Travel signature service every step of the way.